I got to tell you, we're going to walk through the future cast, but I am enjoying the vibrant Hong Kong table. Hope I did that right. This is amazing. I have the author of this cookbook there. Here's just a short list of 38 lucky foods, all these healthy options for the Lunar New Year, and gather around the telly because we're actually going to make some dumplings. I don't know how we talked her into making dumplings before 7 o'clock in the morning, but that's what we're going to do. But right now, I will make the forecast. So, all right, I want to welcome in Christine Wong, who is the author of this book. First off, how's the book doing?
It's going good. It's going good. It's something a little different because it's plant-based, but all very culturally.
This is all vegan?
It's all vegan.
Oh, I love that. Okay, so first off, I love all the symbolism. Before we make the dumplings, what is that cake?
So it's a year cake called ingot, and so you have that for Chinese New Year because it symbolizes growth. So the growth of businesses, growth of wealth, all of those things.
Is that like frosting? Well, what is it?
It's
What is
just
that?
gold dust. More gold.
It's gold dust, and now with the price of gold, you were mentioning this?
Yeah. So this is a ban chong. It's a Vietnamese glutinous rice cake with mung bean, and it symbolizes harmony and earth.
I just love all this stuff. Okay, lay it on me. We're making these, and that looks like an ingot, and that looks like a money bag, right?
Correct.
Okay, lay it
Correct.
on. You just walk and talk and do whatever you're going to
okay.
do. Yeah, go ahead.
All right. So I'm going to make the ingot shape, and so you have a dumpling wrapper.
Mm-hmm.
You put a bit of filling in here.
What is the filling, by the way?
The filling is bok choy, which means 100 kinds of prosperity, carrots, which means wealth again, and dried tofu and ginger and scallion.
And you just seal it with water?
Yeah, you seal it. Store-bought ones you always seal with water.
Really? The other ones you seal with a kiss. Just.
Yes.
Now, these don't get baked, do they?
No, they get steamed. They can get steamed or they get fried. So we're just making a couple folds here.
This is so enjoyable. Look at how delicate this is, and that's how you get the shape.
That's how we get the shape. And the reason why you want to have a lot of creases in it is to have a lot of sauce get captured in the crevices so that it's extra tasty. Are you hungry?
No, but everything is so thoughtful. That's what I enjoy about this.
Yeah.
While you keep wrapping up, I can't stress this enough. This was a labor of love, this book, and the book is for sale here, right?
It is. And you can get the signed copies too.
Because she can sign a copy. Now how long will you steam that?
Well, this is freshly made, so you'll steam it for maybe 6 to 8 minutes. But you can also make them and freeze them put them in the freezer, and then you add a couple more minutes to steam them.
All right, before we let you go, noodles are what?
Longevity. Long
so
life.
The longer the noodle?
The longer the noodle, the longer your life will be.
Oh, look, from one long noodle and a short one. Thank you. This was so sweet. It's so amazing, the thought that goes into this. And I haven't forgot my sheep and my rooster. We'll talk more about that and what their individual years mean. But right now, we're going to get Vince some chopsticks, and we'll send things back to you guys in the studio.
Good. Enjoy.
Yeah, I love how intentional everything is.
Yeah. I love the point that John made. Everything's got such purpose.